Hey guys, how you doing today? Welcome to a quick tip on how to mix with Mage. Today I just want to show you a quick way on how to mix your bass and your kick, especially the 808s. Both of them have transients and they actually struggle and fight for the first initial hit, especially if your kick and your 808s are hitting at the same time. So the best way to solve this problem is using volume shaping sidechain with compressor, but I won't be using a compressor today. I'll be using the Shaperbox, using the volume parameter to create space between the kick and the bass. So let's dive in. I'm using an instance of Shaperbox 3 here, and I'll sidechain my kick to my bass over here and select the sidechain parameter in the volume parameter, so I can make it as tight as possible so it only hits on the first transient where the kick and the bass are clashing together. So let's hear this without the Shaperbox and see the problem before we solve it. So as you can hear that on the first transient, both of them are hitting together, which is causing a whole lot of mod and distortion for the bass and the kick. So when you add the sidechain button, so you can already hear how the bass ducks for the kick when they hit together on the first instance here. So you have to actually balance that. I like leaving it on probably 50 thereabout. So let's see before. Pay attention to the 808. So another trick I do is adding the drive on the bass just to allow it cut through in the speakers. So I set the crossover to about 12k and increase to about 50%. So let's hear this. Yeah, so this is just a quick way on how to mix your kick and bass and allowing them not to clash at all when you are mixing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment below and I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching, guys.